Hi, this is Rakesh working as a Java developer in Spyro group of companies. My topic is a robust and reversible watermarking technique for relational data. So watermarking means anything should be hide into the image is called a watermarking. This concept is achieved through a steganography. Watermark is advocated to enforce ownership right over sharing relational data and for providing a means of tackling data tampering. From this concept we are getting a two advanced technique that means watermarking, encoding and decoding by accounting for a role of all the features in knowledge discovery, and the second thing is original data recovery in the presence of active malicious attack. This paper, the robust and semi-built reversible watermark technique for numerical relational data has been proposed that addresses above the objectives. Now go for existing and proposed difference. In existing, their study proved the effectiveness of robust reversible watermarking against malicious attack and show that the proposed technique outperforms the existing ones. Then go for a proposed system. In this paper, a novel, robust and reversible technique for watermarking and numerical data of relation database presented. The main contribution of this work is that it allows recovery of a large portion of data even after being subjected to malicious attacks. In an existing system, they are using a reversible algorithm. In the proposed system, we are using a watermarking, decode and encoding algorithm. In existing, most of the algorithms are certain and the whole process is reversible. Thus, the attacker can speak the vulnerability from multiple engines. In algorithm definition for proposed, an optimizing algorithm is employed in the robust and reversible watermark technique proposed in this paper to achieve an optimal solution that is feasible for problem in hand and does not violate the defined constraints. Then go for drawback. Some of the hackers able to find the data and hack the data from the existing techniques. In the existing systems, the data will be able to hack. In advantages of the proposed system, the data trust management between the owners and the achievers should be handled. Data should be effectively transferred when compared of existing system. The application of this system, various finance and security features are using these techniques. Concerned member states also using this same technique. Hardware and software requirements. The hardware they are using a processor as a Pentium, a RAM 512 MB, monitor is 15 inches, hard disk is 40 GB. Software requirements, we are using a front end for J2W, that means JSP, Servlet, and back end for MySQL. Operating system Windows 7, 8. Integrated development environment is Eclipse. Then go for a feature. One of our future concern is to watermarking shared database in distributed environments where different members share the data in various proportions. We also plan to expand reversible watermarking technique for non-numeric data stores. For future, we are using a TANS algorithm to achieve this concept. The definition for TANS algorithm is using different expanse of vectors instead of pairs to increase the hiding ability and the computational effectiveness of the algorithm. In enrichment, a very high capacity algorithm based on the differences expense of vector of algebraic size has been developed. In extravergence, we are using verify the attribute of user who does not functions of data, secure the form the attackers and data transfer to the receiver safe. Thank you.